Hello children, so today we are going to learn watercolor. I know everybody like watercolor, okay children, but carefully, okay children. We need to do slowly. I will show you step by step. From today we are going to learn watercolor only, okay children. Step by step I am going to show you, but जल्दी में नहीं करना है, ठीक है. स्लोली करना होगा. अगर स्पीड करोगे तो कलर लाइन से बाहर होगा, तो इसलिए you need to follow my instruction. Ready? Excited children? Yes, I know you like watercolor. Yes, so we will do watercolor. Okay children, today we will do very simple drawing so that you can make it easily. Okay, step by step we are going to make human figure and landscape. All these things we are learning step by step. Okay children, but today is the first class, so very simple drawing, एकदम easily you can do. Okay children, ready? Yeah, so let's start the class. Hello children, so we are going to start the coloring. Okay, step by step we are going to show you how to do watercolor. Okay children, first we will apply water here and then we will use blue color and we will spray the blue color. Okay children, let's start. So first we will use the water here. Okay, I have made a drawing lightly. Today is our first watercolor class, so that's why I have made very easy drawing. Okay children, step by step we are going to make ekdam easy. First I have applied here water, then the blue color. See, like this we are going to ekdam lightly we are going to spray the color. So now we will apply second layer. Okay, we will use dark blue now. See, this is second layer. I'm using this second layer here. Give some dots or like this, like clouds. It will automatically sprayed. Now sky color is almost over. Okay, now leave it like this, let it dry. Now we will use lemon yellow. Okay children, see, now we will use lemon yellow color here. We will try to mix this color. Okay, so here we will okay, done. Now I will use here a little bit dark color and we will leave like this. Blue, Prussian blue and this green we will mix. We will make little bit dark. So what we will do, we will give this dark color here. See, and it is automatically spreading. See, spreading automatically. So here I have used the dark color. This is third number layer. Okay, step by step we are going children. Third number layer, let it dry. We will not do anything. We will use the ochre color here very lightly. But remember one thing children, this yellow color should not touch the green color. Okay, this green color and this yellow color should not mix. And this side we will make little bit dark. Now here little bit dark color I am using. Here also we will use little bit dark color. Now we will spread it. We will spread it. Ekdam lightly we are going to use. See, ekdam lightly we are going to use here. So in the top portion will be dark, then upper portion will be light. Okay, here we will use this green color. So lightly, ekdam fast layer we are doing here. So again let it dry. See, then this fast layer we have done already. Okay children, so now it has dried a little bit. We will start coloring. So for the roof I am using violet color. Okay, lightly we will do violet color here. We will do very lightly. You can do red also children. Okay, for the roof you can use red, brown, lightly you can do, it's your choice. Okay, lightly we will do here. So now see children, now we will make here very dark. I have made here very, and we will give here this type of pattern or stroke. Okay, slowly you can give some patterns. So like this we will make the background, see children. And then here also we will do same technique. Okay, same technique we are going to do here. Okay, this is violet color I am using here. This is more dark I am using here, very dark. So here we will make some thin branches like this. Now children, like this you need to do step by step. Okay, so next class we will learn tree, how to make a tree in watercolor. Okay children, I will teach you how to color a tree in watercolor step by step. Okay, just keep practicing children and subscribe the channel. Okay children, now you need to practice like this. Okay children, step by step. So bye bye children, bye bye.